In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen in DaVinci Resolve. If your DaVinci Resolve window is taking up the entire screen and you want to return to the normal view, the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. This is useful if you accidentally enabled full screen mode, or if you just want access to your usual desktop, taskbar, or other windows while you work. To get started, look at the very top of the DaVinci Resolve interface where the main menu bar is located. Along that top area, you'll see several menu options. Find the one labeled Workspace and click on it. This menu contains different options related to how your editing workspace is displayed, including screen layout and viewing modes. Once the Workspace menu opens, look through the drop-down list until you find the option called Full Screen Window. If full screen mode is currently enabled, this option will be checked. All you need to do is click on Full Screen Window to uncheck it. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will exit full screen mode and return to its regular windowed view. That's all there is to it. It's a very quick setting change, but it can be easy to miss if you're not familiar with where DaVinci Resolve places its display controls. As a helpful tip, if you ever notice that your interface looks different than usual or seems locked into a larger display mode, checking the Workspace menu is a good place to start. Many screen and layout-related settings are grouped there, so it can save you time when troubleshooting. Also, make sure you're clicking inside the DaVinci Resolve window before using the menu, especially if you have multiple applications open. That way you know you're adjusting the correct program window. So, to recap in a simple way, go to the top menu, click Workspace, then click Full Screen Window to remove the checkmark. Once it's unchecked, full screen mode will be turned off. If you're following along inside DaVinci Resolve, you can pause here and try it yourself. After that, your normal editing view should be back, and you can continue working without the full screen display getting in the way, and that's how to exit full screen in DaVinci Resolve.